Our troupe is called the Success Dragon Lion Dance Troupe, and my name is Vitus, and this is Tony, the coordinator of the troupe.
So actually we were formed back in 1982 while I was a student at University of Ottawa, and Vitus was a student at Carleton University. The Ottawa Chinese Community Association Executive Board needed the lion dance for community outreach, so they approached me and approached him, and we formed the Chinese Community Youth Club during that time, and we used the gymnasium for practice on Florence and Kent, and we recruited a bunch of people, and since then we've been practicing there weekly, and we had performed in many different events, and it was a very good community outreach, and we were successfully engaged in social interactions throughout all these years since 1983.
So with a group of friends and students that we have, we do a gathering, fitness basically, right? Doing some training, particularly in forms of martial arts.
We taught some basic martial art like the Southern Kung Fu style to increase the stand, the formation of the lion dance, and it was quite fun at the same time, and the students were very cooperative.
So the Chinese lion dance is a 3,000-year-old Chinese tradition that symbolizes prosperity, luck, and happiness. According to legends, the dance tells about a creature that terrorized villagers with thunder, lightning, and rain. However, the aftermath was an excellent harvest for the villages. Subsequently, the dance is performed in every festivity with the thundering sounds of drums, cymbals, and gongs. With the lion dance, the two most obvious manifestations of the Kung Fu forms are patterns and sets. A pattern refers to a particular way in which a practitioner holds the hands, legs, and body in motion, while a set is formed when numerous patterns are linked together for the convenience of training. Sets consist of different patterns ranging from 36 to 108 patterns.
Lion dance is one of the most important traditions to create a vibrant atmosphere for any festivity and event. It is performed in a lion dance costume, accompanied by the music of beating drums, clashing cymbals, and resounding gongs. The lion dancers imitate a lion's various movements with their martial arts skills.
Lion dance routines can be performed in an eye dotting ceremony, since the eyes reflect the spirit. It is a ritual before the lion comes alive for its eye to be dotted. Awaken Lion. This is usually done after the eye dotting ceremony, as the lion shows different movements such as scratching and mimicking.
Now I got from this one. Now, after, okay, Tony, I'll put some. Now, you start to, okay, now you start to blink it very slowly. Yeah, bring it all the way. Yeah. That's it.
Paying respect in a ritual way, Bai-san, bow 3 times to the altar or audience, at the beginning and at the end. Lion's walk and tricks. This forms a large part of the performance. The lion expresses 5 important elements: search caused by curiosity, fear because of confusion, frustration turns into anger, power represents by its strength, fulfillment with happiness. Chang. This part is the climax of the performance. A red envelope, Lai Si, wrapped with lettuce will be taken by the lion. This Lai Si contains monetary value, such as cash, coupon, or gold. The lettuce symbolizes prosperity from the farming harvest in the legend. The lettuce is usually hung in a hard-to-reach place. If the lettuce is in a hard-to-reach place, this last approach can involve an acrobatic trick, such as the lion's head jumping on shoulders or the lion jumping on benches. There may also be obstacles the lion must pass through or neutralize before it can access the lettuce. Once the lettuce is in the lion's mouth, it chews a bit and then spits it out in pieces to the spectators. This is considered good luck to everyone.
The lion dance, and then we built up a dragon too, right? We had the dragon too in our troupe. Had been giving a lot of highlights into the city in different events. And in terms of we talked about the lion dance origin. All started with a martial arts school, a kung fu school, in traditional back in the time.
Yeah, I'm very honored to be part of the Lions Dance Troupe and also being invited to the Dragon Boat Festival. I remember the first year it was very stormy in the morning, and throughout all this year I see the number have grown to the largest in North America, and very delighted that this tradition carry on, and a very good work from the organizer, and I wishing everybody the best in health and wealth in the near future.
Thank you.